99% of people sound like robots when they talk about their day.
Wait, what? I thought I wake up at 7 was perfectly fine.
It's fine, but it's boring. Today, we're fixing your daily routine vocabulary so you sound like a native speaker immediately.
I'm ready. I definitely don't want to sound like a textbook anymore.
Lesson 1, stop using just wake up. Try roll out of bed or hit the snooze button.
Oh. So, I hit the snooze button 3 times before I actually roll out of bed?
Exactly. It's much more descriptive. Instead of, I eat breakfast, say, I grab a quick bite or I fuel up for the day.
That sounds way more natural. What about the work commute?
Instead of, I go to work, say, I head out or I brave the morning traffic.
Brave the traffic. I love that. It sounds like a mission.
Lesson 2, stop saying and then, and then, and then. For every sentence.
Guilty. I do that all the time. What's the secret?
Use sequencers like, first off, following that, or once I've finished that, I.
So, first off, I check my emails. Following that, I hop into a meeting.
Perfect. Use to wrap things up when you talk about the end of your workday.
To wrap things up, I finish my reports. Got it.
Lesson 3, the advanced tip. Use idioms like clockwork for things you do every day.
Like clockwork? Like a machine?
Yes. If you drink coffee every morning at 8 a.m., you do it like clockwork.
Say every once in a while or if I can swing it. It shows you're flexible.
Let's put it all together. Let's role play. You're telling me about your Monday.
Okay. Usually, I hit the snooze button once, then I roll out of bed around 7:15.
Nice start. Then what?
First off, I fuel up with some strong coffee. Following that, I head out to the office.
Do you brave the traffic?
Every single day. It's a nightmare. I stay at my desk until 5 o'clock, like clockwork.
And to wrap things up.
I wind down by watching Netflix before I finally crash for the night.
Wow. You sounded 100% like a native speaker just now.
It feels so much more natural than I wake up and I eat and I go.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat this sentence. I hit the snooze button and then roll out of bed.
Don't be shy. Say it out loud right now.
Great. Now, comment below, what time do you roll out of bed?
I want to see if anyone rolls out of bed at 5 a.m.
Quick recap, use phrasal verbs like roll out of bed, sequencers like following that, and idioms like clockwork.
And don't forget to wrap things up for the end of your day.
If you keep practicing these, your English will improve like clockwork.
I'm definitely using these tomorrow morning.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We release a new video every single day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.